Growth and development of carcass tissue. Object, understand how muscle grow, identify types of fat in meat, recognize factor affecting carcass quality. Muscle growth in meat animal, growth type, hyperplasia, increase of number of fiber before birth, hypertrophy, increase in fiber size after birth. Animal breed of meat are genetically selected for hypertrophy to increase meat yield. Fat proportion, fat deposition in meat animal, type of fat, subcutaneous, under the skin, importance of in meat, insulation, trim fat, intramuscular, between muscle, affect texture, importance in meat, affect texture, intramuscular marbling, within muscle fiber, flavor and joyousness, visceral, around the organ, discard in butchery. Factor affecting carcass composition, factor genetic, breed like Wagyu, more marbling, diet and duration, green feed, higher fat and juicy flavor, exercise, active animal, linear and tougher cuts, age, younger, more tender meat, suggested table, cane feed versus grass feed meat. The green feed and the grass feed beef, fat content, the higher marbling, grass feed linear flavor, rich and butchery, grass earthy and gamey, tenderness usually more tender, grass sometimes tougher, the price lower, and in grass the higher. Which muscle type is most commonly consumed as meat? Smooth, skeletal, cardiac, connective, skeletal. What make red muscle fiber darker in color? Collagen, elastin, myoglobin. Which fat improve flavor and joyousness in meat? Subcutaneous, intramuscular, visceral, intramuscular. Which connective tissue does not break down with cooking? Myosin, collagen, elastin, marbling. Elastin. What is the main component of meat by weight? By weight, protein, fat, water, carbohydrate. Name two difference between red and white muscle fiber. What are two ways muscle grows in animal? Why is collagen important in cooking tough cuts of meat? Name three types of fat and their location in the body. How does diet affect the flavor and the fat content of meat? Muscle fiber lab, examine raw meat sample, chicken breast, beef, ducks, pork, identify red versus white fiber, visible marbling, intramuscular fat, connective tissue. Cook the meat using different method, grill versus slow cook, and assess tenderness. Comparing meat from different product system. Two farmer raise cattle. One use a grain fed finishing system, the other raise grass feed animal exclusively. The meat have different marbling level, flavor and price. Which meat is likely more tender and flavored and why? How would the muscle fiber type differ based on activity level in grass feed cattle? What market factor might influence consumer choice? Backup meat is made of complex muscle structure that affect texture and taste. Red versus white fiber influence color, flavor and tenderness. Connective tissue, especially collagen, elastin, play a key role in cooking method. Fat distribution is crucial for fat, especially marbling. Genetic, diet and age all influence final carcass composition.